General Syed Asim Munir Ahmed is the current Chief of Army Staff of the Pakistani Army and recently became the second Pakistani military officer to be promoted to the rank of Field Marshal. This prestigious title was previously held only by General Ayub Khan, who appointed himself as Field Marshal in 1959. General Asim Munir was born in 1968 in Rawalpindi. His father Sayyid Sarwar Munir was a school teacher and a imam. He received his early education at the Central Madrasa Darul Tajweed in Rawalpindi and memorized the Holy Quran, earning him the title of Hafiz-e-Quran. He completed his training at the Officers Training School in Mangla in 1986 and was commissioned into the 23rd Frontier Force Regiment due to his outstanding performance during training. He was awarded the Sword of Honor. General Munir has served in various key positions within the Pakistan Army, including Director General of Military Intelligence and Director General of Inter-Services Intelligence. On November 24, 2022, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif appointed General Asim Munir as the 17th Chief of Army Staff of Pakistan. He assumed office on November 29, 2022, succeeding General Qamar Javed Bajwa. On May 20, 2025, the Federal Cabinet of Pakistan promoted General Asim Munir to the rank of Field Marshal, the highest and rarest military rank in the Pakistan Army. This honor was bestowed upon him in recognition of his exemplary courage and resolve during recent tensions with India, where his military leadership and strategy were highly commended. General Asim Munir is considered one of the most influential figures in Pakistan, with significant sway over national politics, security and foreign policy. Under his leadership, the military has adopted a firm stance on issues related to India, Afghanistan and Iran. During the recent standoff with India, he led the military response, further solidifying his prominent role in the country's strategic affairs. MD Udan News TV Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Asad Javed, Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil cooks, Desi eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil white Kadahi, Koil Jat Kadahi and Elevex beauty soap and marriage proposals for all casts. Mobile number 0323 4787 870. You are watching Udan News.